We're gonna button her up and we're gonna get going. Go for some rips. So if you guys remember on the previous episode, we were trying to find the reason why the WRX was running rich. So we changed the O2 eventually, but that did not solve the problem. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pressure test the system to see if there's any leaks. He ended up cleaning his MAF extension, so that actually solved, like, I would say, what, 60% of the problem? It solved about 60% of the problem.
Check your MAF extension.
Yes. So if you have a boost leak, check your MAF extension. Fortunately for us, Harbor Freight was having a 4th of July special, so we got the air compressor.
Actually,
and
the compressor wasn't on sale.
What?
Yeah.
The
Like,
compressor wasn't on? Okay, I guess the compressor.
Fine print, they like
Certain
half
things.
of the store was not on sale.
Okay, I guess certain things wasn't on.
Hey, it was still
bunch
pretty
of
good
liars.
price. Still pretty good price.
Still pretty good price. The Torque Solutions, what would you say? Pressure fitting.
So it's called the boost leak test.
Boost leak tester. Okay, awesome. So just gonna keep going and try to fix all the leaks and see if she runs better. All right, let's see how we're gonna do now. God, this thing is so long for no reason. I think it's coming from your intake manifold.
Don't say that.
I think it might be from here.
That coupler?
Yeah. It might be from here.
Here, do it again.
So it ended up being the cold side of the intercooler. So we managed to get the clamp back on. We're gonna re-pressure test it and see how it goes. Hopefully that fixes that leak in the area, and let's check to see if there's any other leaks. All right, so stay tuned. All right, no more leaking in that area. You hear that?
Yeah. Is that the one I'm working on down there?
Yeah, it's down there. Check. You gotta take the thing off.
Oh.
You got it?
Got it.
All right, what was it?
It's I think it's a slit.
There's the weather down there, Adrian.
It's very hot. Oh yeah, look at it.
Yeah, you see it's completely yeah.
Look at that slit on it.
Yeah, that would definitely affect it, man. Yeah, so we pretty much found two major leaks, I would call them. The first one we found was at the throttle body where the top mount connects to, which that leak would explain why the car, you know, the AFR corrections are ridiculous and the car is running rich. The other one at the wastegate would explain why we're not hitting peak boost consistently, or if at all. I think what you were hitting, what, 15 pounds of boost?
Average at 15 to 16.
Yeah, so 15 to 16, which is way below where the car's tuned. I think your peak on this tune, 22. Yeah, so on E, Ambot tune, baby, Ambot, making 22 pounds of boost. Okay, so we got her back on now. Gonna let her idle for a little minute, and then we're gonna take her for a drive and see how she acts. She's blasting.
Those are pop.